G'day guys, we're here on a day to do Know Your Own Boat. We've had a previous customer come to Yamaha Marine Academy for his license. He's bought himself a lovely new boat and we're here to show him how to launch it safely and retrieve it safely, reverse parking and all the things that come in between. Yeah, so things we're going to cover today, we're going to cover the driving on the way to the boat ramp. We're going to cover the pre-start checks, securing the trailer before departure even from home, and the pre-start checks on the boat ramp. So bungs, straps, fenders, lines and all those things that come in between to make it a nice safe day. So Ed just reversed the boat in. We showed him a really safe, easy way to do it. Little tips on reversing the trailer into a boat ramp. He's done it beautifully. We're just prepping the boat up now to go out in the water. So we can cover a few things like it's a little bit breezy today, so we're going to cover how to combat the wind. We're going to talk about coming on and off the wharf so you can actually park the boat safe later on when we get back. Things to look for, and preparation before we actually go to the wharf. So we start with the absolute basics and we work our way up to the more advanced stuff depending on the customer's feels and needs. So keep it nice and safe. No silly questions here. Ask the questions that you want to know so we get down to the deep part of it.
So yeah, we bought the boat about a year ago. We got towards the end of COVID and really haven't had much chance to take it out. I think the boat license we did about a year and a half ago, and I think we had the very basics, but I just didn't feel like I had enough confidence to actually get out on the water. So some of those things like reversing the boat with a trailer, knowing how to behave at a boat ramp, knowing how to get in and out of the water, and launching and recovering the boat, all of those little things I think were hurdles to get over for me to be comfortable taking the boat out for the day. Certainly want to be more in control of the whole experience before I'm ready to take the rest of the family out. So it was really good that Corey came to the house to meet us because it just helped us go through some of the checks at the start in terms of making sure that we were ready to get on the road. So that was really helpful. And then coming down here to the boat ramp and actually spending a little bit of time practicing some reversing, practicing getting the boat position right, doing all our checks before we went in the water. And then the process of launching the boat, doing that safely, learning how to use the ropes to do a solo launch was really helpful. And then just the kind of, just a bit of a refresher about the water rules in terms of navigation markers and speeds and all of that sort of stuff. Stuff that we did cover in the theory, but it was such a long time ago. I felt like I needed a refresher on that as well.